Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a hack for Subway Surfers, but you're gonna need two things: Lucky Patcher and Game Hacker. You're also gonna need Root, or you can use anything else like Game Guardian. But I'm gonna just show you the basic hack with Lucky Patcher. So this is how you. I'm gonna get. You just need to download Lucky Patcher, and I'm gonna show you. So you go to Google, go to Chrome, you search up Lucky Patcher, Lucky Patcher, and you can get the names. I just haven't updated mine or anything. And then you just download it. If you want to pause the video, pause it if you need to. All you need to do is just search up Lucky Patcher. And then you go to Lucky Patcher 6.2.4. That's the update. And then for Android, and then press download. And then you want to download it. And then you want to hack, then you want to open it. And if you have you have to do to hack it, but with I'm just showing you. Okay, Subway Surfers. So you want to go to open menus of patches, and then if it only says create modified APK file, just press it, and then just press APK rebuilt for in-app and level emulation, and then you're gonna want to rebuild the app. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do it how I did it. And then you just need to wait a couple of minutes, but I'm doing it a different way. And then when it says when it's done and it says go to file, go to the one with the highest update, and then press on it. And then if it says uninstall and uninstall, press that one. And then you're gonna download it, and then go back into Subway Surfers, and then you're gonna be able to get stuff for free. It's stuff that costs money, but it's actually gonna get it for free. And so when this is done, okay guys, I'm back inside of Subway Surfers here, and we're just gonna test the hack. I already know it works, but you guys probably won't believe me, and I'm actually gonna buy something. I'm gonna buy something, and you guys are gonna see. So me, I have every character except for Bunny, the Spike. Yeah, that's all. And then, so look, I have 11 billion, I think, or 11 trillion. But you're gonna see my coins go up, or my keys. So look, so I have 30,699 keys, and now I'm buy it. And then now I have 32,349 keys. Now I'm gonna see if that it works on coins. So 12 millions I have. So, well, I don't know how much that it really is. I think it's over a trillion or a billion. But you're gonna see my coins go up. And it just went up. If you didn't see it, look again. And look, it's gonna go to 32 million. And now that's like, you can like buy anything you want. I only get the like new hoverboards that come out. I don't get the old ones. I get all the characters though. I get like all the costumes. And if this video was really helpful for you, please be free to and subscribe to this video. Bye.